So if you're looking for a way to protect your cabinet doors and drawers from damage, these slimline covers are a great option. So thank you to the company for sending me these to try out. They fit really nicely on top of either the door or the top of the drawer face. So it helps protect from damage. So things are coming down or not banging or nicking your cabinets. It's also a good protector for moisture. If there's moisture coming down, it stops on this instead of getting on the doors or the drawers. So a couple of things that I like about them is how easy they are to cut and install. These are 24 inches to start, so you have that to work with, and then you can cut it shorter to fit your cabinet length. I found the best way to do it is to mark the length that you want. I use just some simple cutters. I cut the edges on both sides, and then I use a utility knife to cut the flat side, and it actually works pretty clean and easy. No breakage, so you have a nice clean edge. They also do come with like a little cellophane protector on top, so you avoid any scratching or anything during your install. Well, the fact that these are clear is really nice because they're see-through, so it doesn't really affect the view or the look of your cabinets very much. You get the nice protection and your cabinets still look great. We have them on the cabinet doors around our sink to kind of keep the moisture off. And we also have a garbage drawer that we use where you have a lot of in and out things hitting that cabinet. This really helps protect it. We've also installed this on the underside of drawers so that if you're pulling out pots and pans, things like that, and you're maybe banging the drawer underneath, this really helps protect it as well. But I just wanted to show how easy it is to install. As I mentioned, you just basically put it down over the top of the door or the drawer and push down on it. It has a nice snug fit. Everything closes just fine. As you're using the garbage and you're bringing things in here, you're protecting your cabinets with these protectors.